Hello, beautiful people. So excited to be with you today to talk about cleansing. It's something that we don't necessarily want to do or choose to do on a regular basis, but it's so great. It's the best way to set a reset on your digestion, on your eating habits, on your mental state. And we have a couple of ways that we think will help. Definitely want to look into your Essential Life book. The Candida section is a program based around doing a cleanse. It's got a lot of recommendations for antifungal and detox supplements and whole food nutrient supplements. And then there are, of course, your remedies and your blends and the things that will benefit you with your oils during that time. And we also have our little Cleanse and Restore tear pad that is really useful to add to one of your classes to teach about cleansing. And this has what are my top 3 health priorities? And you get to write them down there. And how can I stay consistent with my cleanse? And it's really good to think those things through while you're working on a cleanse, because honestly, it's challenging. But in our blog, we have some awesome information on this as well. Found this great Gaia article. And then some things you want to avoid. Here are some foods you want to avoid. Products that contain refined sugars, dairy products such as milk, cheese, and ice cream. It's a tough one. Chocolate, even tougher. Soda and juice that is not 100% fruit or vegetable. Alcohol, breads and other refined baked goods, fried foods, wheat, red meats, shellfish and high mercury fish such as swordfish, soy, and excessive caffeine. All challenging, but still doable if you set your mind to it. And then you should eat plenty of mixed grain salads, lightly steamed vegetables and vegetable soups, fresh vegetable and fruit juices, whole grains, garlic, onions, and ginger, fresh boiled fish, wild salmon, sardines, fresh fruits that are in season, sea vegetables, herbal tea. So, although no one really likes to cleanse, or maybe you do, maybe this is your thing, you just cleanse all the time. Wish I was there with you. If you haven't done it before, or you're really just trying to get another one in, these are some really beneficial tips to help you get through it. So I'm going to be doing one myself very shortly here, and I'm going to be owning up to cutting out a lot of these things, and it's going to be really great. So I'm looking forward to it, and maybe I'll stop back in and let you know how it goes. But cleanse, everybody. It's a great time of year to do it. You got to really work out your internals to bring in the summer, bring in the sunshine. I love it. Have a blessed day, everyone. We love you at Oil Life.